Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I decided to do a clean with me today. I needed to pick up our upstairs, my office, the bedroom, bathroom, and also our loft space. So I thought it'd be fun to take you along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if there's anybody out there who enjoys cleaning bathrooms. It's like my least favorite room to clean. I'm not sure why, it just doesn't bring me joy, but it has to be done, so that's what I'm doing today. I think the one area of the house that I always have to have clean is probably the bedroom, just because I like to escape at night and have a clean space. So making your bed each day, I know I struggle with it, but it really does make all the difference. So I get a lot of questions about the vacuum that I use, and it's actually a Dyson. I'll link it for you guys in the description of this video, along with any of the products that I use today to clean the house. Thank you all so much for flying by today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll be glad to answer them. I hope you guys have a great week coming up and talk to you guys soon.